think he's gonna be okay.
Yeah, I think he is too. Here's the nature life of a bird. Let's make him a nest.
I should have bought that little top hat up here so I could put it on the bird.
A top hat.
Yeah, I think it was a Monopoly top hat. And I was going to put it on the bird. And I was going to put it, if I kept it, if I bought it home,
A top hat from the Monopoly game.
if I bought it here, I would have put it on the bird's head. Because it was the size of a bird.
Oh,
It
Nixa,
was the size of a size.
you're so
It
funny.
was the size of a bird. I think he's doing good enough.
I'm gonna make the bird a little nest.
Well, I really think he's gonna be okay. I think he's stunned from the ceiling fan. He'll be all right.
We're gonna stay down here and kind of just stay.
Let's make him a nest
Maybe.
in there.
I don't know.
We're gonna stay down here with him and
He's not
kind of
moving
walk
much.
Yeah, I don't think
Well, he's able to walk a little bit.
and walk a little bit. Right.
Yeah, so we need to make him a nest so he can rest.
Oh my gosh. I think he's
So he
getting
can
a
He needs to.
He needs some. Well, he needs some water. Let's get him some water.
Okay. Go get some water.
So he can have some water.
Well, what? We need a little bitty bowl for him.
Yeah, he needs a small bowl.
Holden, he needs a small bowl.
What?
Watch the bird.
Watch the bird. I don't think he's going anywhere. Oh no. I hope he's gonna be okay. Well, Oakley, you're being an awful good boy. It's really something. None of the dogs have tried to go after him.
Huh. Well, that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Oakley was kind of sniffing at it first, but I think Oakley.
Come here, Tucker.
Oakley actually saw
Aspen.
it.
Well, maybe they might get interested in him now. You stay back.
We got him a little bowl.
Aw.
You give him some water while I make his nest.
Oakley, that's not for you.
We need to. he
Can you
needs
put
a
him
bird
over there
bath.
next to the water? I think he's okay.
Yep, I guess he's okay now. I guess he didn't need to rest his. I guess he didn't need to rest his wing at all.
No. Did that scare you guys?
Yeah.
I was like, here you go, and then he was like,
Oh.